Nice. Wow, closet. Oh, mirror. Mirror, mirror. What are you getting in the closet, little girl? What's in there? I like the bag. Look at the bag. Ay, ito yung nakita. Ah, where is it?
Like a mirror.
Oh, look at the bag, Kuya. 1.5.
Nice mirror.
I saw this eh. Maganda yan.
Travel tote
1.5.
bag.
Yeah.
Ooh,
Ganda, no?
travel.
Ay, ito yung ano, yung portable iron board. Parang travel iron board. Oh, luggage.
It's actually not that bad.
Mura, no? 1.6 nga lang. Oh, I like this one, oh. Dapat ganito sa inyo, oh. Pang ano nyo, underwears and 890. Layo naman. Pwede ba nagde-deliver ba ang IKEA?
Yomi o lalagyan ng ring.
Oh, yeah. Cute. Ha? 890? Huwag na to eh. Tapos yung mga sing-sing mo, tig-60 lang. Oh, I like. Oh, may mga accessories inside. I thought it's empty. Oh, slippers, yummy. Slippers. How much is the slipper? 170. Bedroom slipper, yummy. Kylo, you don't have slipper, di ba? Black. Hindi nga.
Talaga? For sale ba yan?
Wala presyo, pero ito may 170. Ito rubber.
Rusty.
Nice. Oh, I like the chair. Chair for 15,000. 15. Wow, ang lambot. Ang lambot upuan. Ang sarap. Kaya pala mahal eh. Oh, when you walk by every night. Yomi, where are you? Come here. Picture mo ako doon dali.